check. See if Rudolph came and ate all the carrots.
Are you gonna check the carrots? Look. Look at all the presents.
Where are they?
Over here. Remember, that's the plate where you put the cookies? And the carrot?
Mommy, the cookies and the carrots are all gone.
Oh, that means that Santa was here with the reindeer.
Look at all the presents he dropped off.
Go look at your stocking.
Come see.
Who's Shady's?
She's still sleeping. We'll wake her up.
Who's Shady's stuff?
There's a stocking.
Oh, her stocking's right here. Wow, look at everything. Can you believe Santa came here last night?
Was Santa not here yet?
No, he's been. He left. He left a long time ago. He had to drop off presents at other kids' houses.
At Claire's houses now.
That's right. Isn't it exciting?
For Josie.